Hello and welcome to this sports talk show, Sports Chit Chat, one football chit chat. Today we have with us one of our very favorite footballers from the 1980s who has played with the Indian team and as well as with the all the three big clubs in Calcutta, Mr. Farid from Calcutta. So welcome to this show, Mr. Farid, and just let us
Thank
know
you.
how your journey from Hyderabad to Calcutta started.
Yes, I mean, very, very long journey. You see, I used to play for Hyderabad City Police team in the year 1975, 75, 76, 77, 78. 4 years I played for the Hyderabad City Police team. And that time the team was very solid team, very good team. And I got the very good coach also, Mr. Salimullah. Then I joined AG office in the year 1979 and 80. 2 years I played for them. Then I shifted to Calcutta in the year 1981. As because I got offer from all the clubs, but I preferred because of my father advice. Father said, "Go, you play for East Bengal. East Bengal is a very good side that time, and officials were very, very good." So in Hyderabad also, East Bengal name was there. बोलता है अरे ईस्ट बंगाल और एक बहुत बड़ा क्लब है खेलो यार खेलो so I very gleefully gladly joined the club and I got the offer.
But the place that you started playing football, kicking the ball, is a park. It's not a ground in that same level as we call a football field. So, did you ever think, ever that point of time, that you will make this big?
Yeah. When I came to Calcutta, the ground conditions were completely different from Hyderabad. Completely different because in Hyderabad all the hard grounds are there. But in Calcutta all soft grounds with grass, and in the rainy season it becomes muddy. So by the grace of Almighty, I adopted because I have very good habit of adopting the situations, conditions. So I worked hard, very hard in those grounds, and by the grace of Almighty, still I'm here in Kolkata.
I wanted to say that you started playing in a park. It's not a ground near your house in Malampalli. But playing in that park,
Yeah.
making it that big, is a big challenge, big job. I mean,
Yes,
how did
yes,
you make that?
obviously, because when in front of my house there was a small park, so I used to practice there. So when I entered the big field, बाप रे ऐसा इतना बड़ा ground होता है. So ground was very big, and especially the East Bengal ground and all. So, but still, anyhow, like because of my hard work and determination, I managed and I overcome all the hurdles.
You came under so many coaches. You played under so many coaches in Hyderabad, in Calcutta, with the Indian national team. Will
Yes,
be there any favorite coach?
yes, Mr. Amin. In Hyderabad, my favorite coach was Mr. Salimullah, and in because he took me to the limelights in Hyderabad, and then I came to Calcutta. Mr. Sayyid Naeemuddin, Mr. P.K. Banerjee sir, and Mr. Amalata sir. So these three coaches, I think they are the best. They are the best in Indian football.
So many memorable matches. So many memorable matches you have played in your career, probably with Mohun Bagan, Mohammedan Sporting, East Bengal, and with the Indian national team. Do you recollect any match where you have really helped your team to win the tournament?
Yes, I have played so many memorable matches, but one match I will point out. That match was in Darjeeling in the year 1981 when I was playing for East Bengal club. So I still remember we were losing by 2 goals in the finals. The match was against Mohan Bagan, and Mohan Bagan team was a very solid team that time. All the big superstars were there. So in our team was very good. Jamshid Nasiri, me, Amal Raj, and all Khabazi, and so many players were there. Machado, Francis, CD Francis, and all. So, but losing by 2 goals in the final and winning by 3-2 is a very memorable match for me. We won the match, and the officials became very, very happy, very, very happy because I played the best match in the Darjeeling Gold Cup.
Will you be adding the India's triumph in the SAF Cup?
Yes. SAF in the international level, I have played so many matches international level on international level also. But this match in the year 1987 at the Salt Lake Stadium against Nepal. So we were playing against Nepal, and the match was 90 minutes was almost nearing, and we were not able to scoring the goal. So the situation was very bad. And the public, I think that time 1,25,000 capacity full in the stadium. All they were shouting and they were supporting us. So in the last minute of the game, I scored the winning goal by the grace of Almighty Allah, and it's a very big record achievement for me on the international level. We won the gold, and I still remember Mr. Late Chief Minister Jyoti Basu was there. He came all the way from the stands in the VPS stands. He came he came inside the field and he hugged me. মানে খুব ভালো করেছিস ছেলে তুই কি তুই কি চাস বল আমি কিছু চাই না মানে ঠিক আছে very good achievement. So this is the thing, the love and respect from CM I got to have from CM, so I still remember it.
Farid bhai, you probably the last Hyderabad footballer who came to Calcutta. After you, nobody has came and played for the big clubs and for the Indian national team.
Yes, it's a very sad part of Hyderabad football. In the year 1981 I came to Calcutta. 40 years almost have passed. Nobody has broken my record. And I don't think anyone can break, because nowadays the competition is too high. That time also the competition is very high. But still, Hyderabad standard is going down day by day. And I don't think anyone will come और बोलेगा कि भाई हम तीन साल खेलेगा, हम भी खेलेगा तीनों बड़ा क्लब में, ईस्ट बंगाल में खेलेगा, मोहनमान में खेलेगा, मोहन स्पोर्टिंग में खेलेगा. I don't think. But still records are meant for broken, break करता है record को. Let's see. I'm keeping my finger crossed and देखिए कौन मेरा record break करेगा.
So many of your former teammates have went back to their hometown. Very few have stayed back, including you. So why did you stay back in Calcutta?
My few means Sayyid Naeemuddin stayed back here. He married to a local girl, and I stayed back. Yeah, I stayed back here not by marrying a local girl, because my wife is from Hyderabad. I stayed here because of the love and affection of the Calcutta people, especially the Bengalis, whether they are Muslims or Hindus or any religion. They love me still. Still they love me very much. So I am very much grateful to God, Allah, that I still am getting the love. Though I have retired long back, but still I am famous in Calcutta, still going strong. It's because of you, I think. Because after you, when I was in the dark, I still remember, completely dark. So I'm in Islam. You came to Hyderabad and you introduced me, and on FB. They said, Farid bhai, aap kahan ho yaar? Chalo aao, phir limelight mein aao. I will take you. So thanks a lot. I mean, because of this, I'm still in the heart of all the football loving people of Calcutta.
Yeah, you fully deserved it in any way. You fully deserved it. Now, you have been teaching some poor boys in your Salt Lake area. So, how is that going on?
Yes. I know, because it's a very, very long camp, because the year 1992 I started it with the poor boys. Then I used to run in alone, because कोई आता नहीं था, आगे बढ़ता नहीं था. Then 3 years back, your Al Riyada group started helping me. So I'm very grateful to Al Riyada also, and to you, and Abil Islam also, your brother. So you are helping me a lot, and so the camp is now on an organized way. We are doing it.
So, do you think it will be your future plan to develop or groom future players for Calcutta or for India?
Yes. I mean, you see, I am attached with recently a new club was formed by Mr. Shadan. So he made Sunrise Football Club. So he made me the chief coach of that club. Let's see after the coronavirus, if the things are good, going the same smoothly, Then I will be the chief coach, and then the Sunfish is also there. So they have also, along with Prasanto Banerjee, Nasir Ahmed, and Bhaskar Ganguly, Shishir Ghosh, Kishan Durwai. So many ex-internationals are there. So we are making a plan of grooming the boys from district levels and all. If the plan goes well, then it's okay. Otherwise, then we are back to the pavilion.
So we all hope that under your coaching, we will get to see some more talented boys from Bengal, from Calcutta, and they would represent the Indian national team. Thanks for joining us, Mr. Farid, and wish you all the best.
Thank you, Mr. Amin. Thanks a lot, my dear. God bless.